Hi friends, welcome back. In today's video I have Vivo Y66. I'm going to show you how to hard reset this phone, because when you try to hard reset it manually, the process passed but the code still remains. Then in this video we are going to use a free tool, NCK Polycom. Alright, then let's open our tool. After opening, as you can see, it's Qualcomm 0.15.3. And make sure here is generic reset mode, and then just click on factory reset. You need to have a working cable, USB cable. Make sure that your phone is completely turned off. Then click on both up and down volume buttons, and then introduce a USB cable, and just wait for a magic happening. As you can see, the process began. After the process, right away the phone will reboot into a charging mode. Then you just need to turn it on. Here I'll fast forward this video to make it short. As you can see now, you just need to configure the phone. To configure the phone, just click English, skip this step, skip again, next, use now. As you can see, please, it's done. A hard reset, a reset has been done. Then thank you for watching. See you another video.